hold my beer. Watch this. All right, guys, we're back at it. Hey, I'm freezing my behind off. We actually have snow flurries in Florida, so I may leave the grill alone, may not leave it alone. Guess what? I'm back on the grill. That's how we're gonna do it, right? Hold my beer. Let's get it going. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the Bering Strait. We on Deadliest Catch. You see, I got my merch on. All right, because it's freezing. You probably freezing your behind off. So we're doing crab today. Not gonna tell you what type of crab we're doing, but it's a crab. So something we can do very easy. Please continue to watch. Please like, please subscribe, please comment, talk to me. Please give me a thumbs up. Let's go, worldwide chrome. All right, guys, so today's video, we're doing crab. Cause I feel like I'm in the Bering Strait. I'm in Alaska somewhere, and I'm on Deadliest Catch. So I decided to do that. I know half of y'all are freezing your behinds off as well. So this is what we're doing. So, show you what we do with these. We have blue crabs. You can find them in the Atlantic, the Gulf Coast, basically anywhere in the world. So guys, in order to char broil or char grill a crab, there's a few steps you have to take. First of all, let me help you out a lot. Make sure you put your crabs on ice so they can get comatose. Comatose, all right? You do not want these pincers to get a hold of you. Next thing you do, fold them in. All right? Fold them in. So they can't get you. This is a female. She has an apron, if you can see that. All right? Hopefully you can. All right? So then you take that. Twist. Next thing you know, get you a knife, nice sharp knife, right underneath the shell, behind the legs, behind their swimmer legs, and then cut up. Do it on the same side. So now it is humanely dispatched, and now you put your finger underneath of it and pop it open, okay? All right, so I don't take the shells all the way off or the top shell all the way off because that's gonna be basically our steamer pot, okay, for what we about to do. So y'all comment, like, subscribe. Let me show you the next step. Let's go. Now guys, once you popped off your shells on your blue crab or any crab that you have, again, leave the shell on. It's gonna help them steam better. Take your favorite seasonings. That's another reason I like to keep it popped open like this. Tilt up your pan a little bit. Don't worry about the seasoning getting everywhere. That's why we have brooms and mops. Then take your favorite seafood or crab boil seasoning. You're gonna go back in the cavity, guys. Back in the cavity, guys. So you see how everything is in there evenly coated inside of the meat, inside of the cavity? That's what we're doing. Tips and tricks, all right? Hold my beer channel. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Talk to me. These are little tips and tricks I've learned along the way, and I like to share them with you guys. Yeah, all right? So let's go. We're gonna see y'all at the smoker, about to get it up to temp. And again, quick meal because it's a fight party that I'm having going on. I don't have a lot of time, but this whole meal may have taken me 20 minutes. Let's do it. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, hold my bill. Watch this. Hey, we back out here in the Bering Strait. We on Deadliest Catch. Okay, the wind is blowing. We got flurries in Florida. We got all that going on. All right. So guys, wrapped up some corn. We're gonna put that direct on it. Cause it's so cold, I have to do it. All right? I popped open our blue crabs. My son's so cold. Popped open our blue crabs, right? Almost like an oyster. All right? Leave your shells on so that they'll help them steam. Go ahead and put them all on there, especially when you're freezing your behind off. Put them on there just like that. And because of the cooler temperatures, because right now it is what? like 33 degrees or something. It is cold, especially for Florida. I can see the steam coming off my son. All right. Anyway, you gotta do what you gotta do. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. This is what we do for the content. Okay? This is what we do for the content. Okay?
God, no.
This is what we do. Okay, I'm trying to tell y'all, we in the Bering Strait. We willing to die. Okay? We willing to die. We willing to die for y'all.
Hey, close that down.
Yes, sir, Reed Bobski. All right? Woo! You hear me? Woo! All right? Keep looking. All right? We're going to put it down. And we going back in the house. All right? We'll see y'all shortly. Like, comment, subscribe. All right, guys, so we back out here in the tundra. Y'all see the steam coming off my mouth? It is cold, cold in Florida. Today is January 31st, 2026. It is that cold. Anyway, back to it. Oop, see these? Boom, popped up. Nice quick meal, okay? Did them like an oyster type of style. And we're gonna get these off rapidly. Rapidly. And we're gonna take these in the house. Then we're gonna doctor them up. They're not even really that hot. It's just because it's so cold. It is cold, Jack. Like even here in Florida where we are, it is 32 degrees right now without the wind chill. That's pretty intense. Ooh, but these are so beautiful. These are so gorgeous. Y'all wait till y'all see these in the house. And we about to get out of the Bering Strait. We're about to get out of the Deadliest Catch. We're out of here. Let's go. All right, so we're back in the friendly confines of a warm shelter. All right, guys. Don't know if you saw the last video, but we have homemade butter. Butter. So we're gonna take some of that, put it on our corn. Put it on our corn. It's gonna melt. And then the reason that I did these blue crabs the way I did them, again, they're like more of an oyster style. So I can take butter and pop them in there. Pop it in there and let it just melt down. And then you close it back up. And then that butter will melt inside of it. And you're gonna have some of the best, juiciest crabs you've ever imagined, I promise you. Just in case you missed it. Let's do it one more time. See it? See it popped open? Take that in there. And the melt down in there. And we're gonna just rinse and repeat. Then we're gonna come back, give y'all a taste test. God willing, y'all are warm. I'm warm now. We appreciate you guys. The Hold My Beer channel, every Sunday around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, US. That's what we're doing. We like it. We enjoy it. We thank you guys for taking the time out of your day. And love, peace, and blessings. And we'll be right back.
What's up, guys? So we got all the crabs here. And we got some corn with butter on it. The butter has melted.
Come on, pick it up. Homemade butter that we made. If you guys haven't seen the video of the butter we made, you know, but we made our own butter. Look at that. Ooh.
Like dripping.
Mm-hmm. Look at that. So you try the corn, grilled corn with our homemade butter. Ooh.
That's good. That's good.
Seriously? So now we have our grilled blue crab, oyster style, everything. These should be good too. They look good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm about to destroy these.
Seasoned very well.
These are good. So you don't always have to boil, always have to fry, you know, or steam. Something a little different. Nice kind of char to it a little bit. And you can see it's done. Y'all see it.
It's done.
So
God.
thank y'all for watching. As always, we appreciate y'all. If you could take the time out your day to hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and give me a comment, we would appreciate it. See y'all on the next one. Next Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, US. Let's go.